Friends, I am Kumar and welcome back to our channel Kumar TV Telugu Tech. In this video, I am going to tell you how to convert expression encoder recording videos into different formats. Okay, first of all, why people are going this kind of problem? Okay, if you record your screen using Microsoft encoder, definitely some people want to convert them into different formats to edit on different editing tools like Canva or Filmora and different applications they are using. But those softwares are not accepting this kind of format if you screen recorder using like expression encoder, because the extension that gives us is xesc format. So that format is not accepted by many of the video editing applications. So we have to convert those videos into mp4 or some other suitable format. So how to do it? Without using any online software, we can easily convert screen recording videos into different formats. I want to show that. First of all, I will explain what is the problem which is faced by many YouTubers. They are using their screen recording videos to upload YouTube. For example, you can see on my monitor, all of them are screen recording videos only. If I want to edit any one of them on Canva application, Canva doesn't accept, Canva doesn't convert. For example, so this video I want to edit on Canva application. Already Canva is there on my monitor, you can see. So here upload files, click on that, and I want to select screen recording video only. So I will go for the location where I put all my videos. Okay, screen capture output, custom files, just change it, and I will select one screen capturing video and open, and you will see the result here. We couldn't upload some files, and you can click here and you can see the list of formats which are not accepted by this Canva application. So that just close it, and we have to convert the screen recording video into supported format. So we'll do that first. So to do that easily without using any software, we have to have one media application called VLC media player. Just click on that and open it, and you can see media option here. Click on that, and you have to choose convert save option. Just click on that, and you have to select which video you want to convert into mp4 or suitable format which is supported by Canva or different applications that you are using for video editing. So add, we have to click on add here, and this one I want to change the format of this video. Okay, click this and open, and what you have to do is you can convert. You can see here convert, just click on that, and you have to keep the same default format which is showing here. You can see here video h.264 plus mp4 format. This is what we have to keep. We should not change it. If you change it, your result doesn't come properly. So that keep it the same thing which is given by media player VLC. Okay, just browse where you want to save the file, where you want to save the converted file. That is what we have to uh, you know create. If you don't have any particular thing, you can easily download it, the files as they that is going to download it. But I want to save it in a different folder, separate folder, to show you how actually it works. So browse, and I want to keep the result file in my separate folder called pagemaker videos. So that here I am going to give you the name result, so that after that you can see how actually it works. Result, result. Okay, and save as type containers mp4. I want to keep this. Okay, start. Okay, it will take some time. That depends on the length of your video. It actually 4 point, I mean 4 minutes 15 seconds video, so that it takes a bit long time. We have to wait for the closing time. The file will be ready and it will be downloaded in my file pagemaker. There you can see the resulted file, and we will see how actually it works. Can we upload the mp resulted file on Canva application? Let's see, let's hope. So actually I wanted to take a small file to show you, but I have selected another one. That's the reason why the time is getting wasted. Okay, no problem. So meanwhile, let me tell you something about my channel. Actually, this is my Telugu channel, but I wanted to see uh, if I make this video in English, how many people are watching it, so that I can cover many people who you can listen, who can understand English language. So same video I will try to upload in Telugu also, so that Telugu people can use it. Okay, okay. The process is over, and we will see the file pagemaker videos. This is the folder where I wanted this file to be. So double click on this, and the result, actually this is what the name I have given for this video to make you clear. So this file I want to upload on Canva. Let's see it. Let's go to Google, and let's go to Canva application, upload files, and this is the file where, okay, this one, result. Yes, it's working, because we have changed the format of this application. We have changed screen capture format into mp4 format, so that it is accepting. Actually it's working here. It's already work is going on here, so that we can use it to make some editings, and to add some extra features on this application Canva, so that you can upload it on any kind of social media platforms. If you are a YouTuber, this video is definitely helpful to you, and if you are a learner, this video is very much useful to you. So that do subscribe my channel and wait for the useful stuff. And you can check my past videos also. There are a number of videos, maybe they are useful to you. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.